We neutral, yeah. So we're about 85 decibels, I would say. Just hold it a bit closer to the back. .90 is the max. So we're on 90 decibels. So let's get it on the ramp and we'll install the Vance Hines. Right, we're on, we're done. So look really nice, really happy with those Vance Hinese Hi Output slip-ons. Let's give it a little start. I've got my dB meter as well, we'll do a comparison. Yeah, much deeper tone. Really sounds good that. So what we're on now? So we're on 90. So just peaking at 100 dB, so quite a lot louder than standard, but just sounds miles better. So really happy with that. So happy days. Sound absolutely brilliant. So Vance Hines Hi Output slip-ons on the Harley Fat Bob. Job complete without its troubles along the way. But overall, yeah, I could highly recommend these. Absolutely fantastic sound.